Hey crafty friends, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. I'm going to reveal the new Cricut Postcard Mystery Box. It's really a great one, and it does include a gorgeous True Pink Cricut Cutie. As always, purchase and discount info are included in the description right under this video. Thank you for using my affiliate links. I do earn a small commission if you use them, and it's much appreciated. So let's get started. And here's the gorgeous cutie. So pretty. True pink. This color did release back in 2023. So if you don't have it yet, you definitely want to get this one. It's gorgeous. Add it to your collection. So pretty. So let's see what's included. We have double card mats. Not just one. Not just two. But 3 double card mats. Absolutely terrific. So handy. We have cutaway cards. This is a gold glitter set. The inserts are gold glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. And these are 4.75 by 6.6, so just about 5 by 7. That's one set, 12 cards. We have a second set of cutaway cards, 12 cards, with holographic inserts, pastel colors. You have 12 of each in these sets. There's envelopes, inserts, and cards. Another gorgeous set. Then we have foil transfer cards. Beautiful 12 cards, foil transfer cards. Again, 12 of each. Envelopes, inserts, and cards. Beautiful, beautiful set. We have a set of 5 metallic markers. You have gold, silver, copper, I believe that color is. Then you have metallic blue and metallic violet. Gorgeous set. We'll put that here. And last but definitely not least, we have a 30 count fine point pen set. Look at the colors. Just gorgeous, all the colors you get. Beautiful. And 30 count. Really terrific. So this is the Cricut Postcard Mystery Box. As mentioned, everything you need to purchase is in the description right under this video. And thank you if you use my affiliate links. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. I know I will. Thank you for watching.